afternoon, grader. I have, for your pleasure today, two coin sorting machines made from different scavenged materials. So, this is how these devices work. Vem pra cá, por favor, chegue mais perto. Chega mais perto. So, being from Brazil, I have Brazilian coins here. So I have the 1 real coin, which is the largest one, the 50 centavo coin, which is 50 cents as a translation, and the 10 centavo coin, which is 10 cents as a translation. And one of the bigger differences between these coins is that they are of different sizes, different diameters, and obviously as a result different radiuses as well. These are their radiuses. And how the way these devices here work are that this device here uses the coin's different radiuses. The coins slide on top of this cardboard tubing, and depending on their different sizes, they pop into one of the 3 different holes. And this device here works similarly yet slightly differently because the coin rolls down along this rail, and depending on its size, it drops into one of these tubings and then falls onto these cups. Now, the whole idea of a coin sorter is to then have a container with your sorted coins that you can then transpose elsewhere, and this is the purpose that these cups possess. So the idea is that the cups are removable. We can simply reposition them in their original location and start the process anew after we finish this. So, say I've just arrived with a variety of different coins in my hand, and I wish to separate them. So I'll start off by depicting how this works through this prototype, which is a little more consistent than this one. And so here's my 50-cent coin. We expect it to go down the middle tube, and if we do as follows, it goes down the middle tube. My 1 real coin, we expect it to go down the final tube, which it does, and my 10 centavo coin, we expect it to go down the first tube, which it also does. I put a funnel here on the first tube so that the coin streamlines into its cup of choice. And this funnel here on the top is just so that the coins get centralized on the tubing for them to go down, and thus have these different sized holes affect them the same way. So I used cardboard, silver tape, and funnels for this design, which is very practical and one could even say aesthetically pleasing given the try. And now we have our second prototype, which is a little bulkier than the first, yes, but nevertheless still functional. And for this one, I used the shoebox as a containment area for my cups. And I used styrofoam and EPM foam in order to build the chassis for the device itself, as well as brass piping to streamline the coin folding mechanism. And so now, if I take my 1 real coin expected to go down the 3rd tube, which it does, if I take my 50 centavo coin, we expect it to go down the 2nd tube, which it does, and if I take my 10 centavo coin, we expect it to go down the 1st tube, which it does. So this is also a successful, if slightly bulkier and heavier prototype. Thank you very much for your attention, grader, and good luck. Have a great day.